Ashton, what'd you get?
A turtle.
What is that?
Oh, a turtle.
Who left you that?
Easter Bunny.
Ashton, does he make a sound?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's how he makes the sound.
Here, Ashton, come here a sec. Look at
Hey,
you.
hey, look it. There's sunny prizes here. Hey, here's another carrot.
okay, let me hold the carrot.
Hey,
Okay.
here. Another Easter Bunny.
We can open them later, okay? Boy, he was busy, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow.
Man, he was busy last night. You must have been a good girl. Were you a good girl?
Yeah.
Here, Daddy will help too, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, there's another carrot.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay.